Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be spawning the absolutely terrifying Entity 303 in Minecraft. That's right, guys, and after we spawn him, we're going to have an absolutely insane battle to the finish, and let's just hope I'm the one that finishes the battle, guys, because I did not wake up this morning and roll out of bed to get finished by the Entity 303. I woke up this morning and rolled out of bed to do the finishing, guys. But what we're going to be using, guys, to make the Entity 303 spawner, because we got to make a spawner to spawn the Entity 303. So what we're going to be using to do that, wow, that was a lot of words, guys. That was a lot of words. But what we're going to be using to do that is we're going to be using 8 red concrete, 1 dispenser, 8 blocks of redstone, 4 gold pressure plates, 12 red nether brick stairs, 8 heads, and 1 Entity 303 activator, guys, and that's all we're going to be using to spawn the Entity 303. So let's go ahead and get right into spawning them, guys. So what we want to do first is we just want to go ahead, grab our red concrete, and make a red X, guys, just like that. Now we just want to go ahead and we want to place one of these 1 block away, guys, on each edge of our red X. So just like that, guys. Now we just want to go ahead and we want to drop our dispenser right in the center of our red X. Now we just want to go ahead and we want to place our blocks of redstone on the edges of our red X, just like that, guys, all the way around it. Wow, that's actually kind of looking scary now. Now we just want to go ahead and we want to grab our gold pressure plates and place these all the way around our dispenser. Now we can do the fun part, guys. We can place our red nether brick stairs all the way around our blocks of redstone. And make sure that you only place these in front of the blocks of redstone, guys. So just like that, right there, guys. Wow, this is really starting to shape up, guys. Now, we need to take our heads and place them all facing the dispenser, guys. Make sure they ain't looking off in any other direction, guys, because you don't want them to be, like, looking off in that direction, because then it won't work, guys. Make sure they're all looking at the dispenser. Okay, now we can just go ahead and drop our Entity 303 activator in our dispenser, guys. This is going to be so scary, guys. This is going to be so scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. He actually spawned. Oh snap, and he's fast, guys. He is fast. You want some? Boom, take that right to your ugly face. Oh my god. He's coming after me. I probably shouldn't have said that, guys. I probably shouldn't have talked about his face. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, snap. He's angry now, guys. He's angry now. I can see it in his eyes. I can see it in his eyes. Wow. He's not even really doing any damage to us, though. I mean, look at him. Can he really do any damage to us? I mean, I'm in full diamond armor, guys. I mean, come on. And oh my god, now he's starting to do some damage. Now he's starting to do some damage. I did not mean for that to happen. I played around too much, guys. I played around too much. You know what? I'm gonna get some bow shots in on him, guys. Oh snap, that one went right over his head. And oh my god, he's not playing around now, guys. He got my hearts down. He got my hearts down. Oh snap, I'm down to 3 hearts, guys. I gotta run. I gotta go fast. I do not want to end up in the Minecraft graveyard, and oh snap, guys. He knows I'm down. He knows I'm down. Boom, take that. Why, I keep missing. He, like, keeps trying to dodge my arrows, guys. Just back off me, bro. Just back off me. Oh, snap. He got me down to 3 hearts, guys. Whoa. Oh, snap. I gotta take him out, guys. I gotta take him out. I can't play around. It's either me or him. One of us are going to end up in the Minecraft graveyard, and I do not want it to be me, guys. I do not want it to be me. Oh, snap. He got me down to 2 hearts. 1.5 hearts. No, 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 no. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I got to run. Oh, 1 heart. 1 heart. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. He had me down to 1 heart. Wow. I was almost a goner. You know what? Forget him, guys. I'm taking him out now. I am taking him out now. I am taking him out. And not on a romantic dinner. Not on a romantic dinner. You know what? Boom! Takes that, and oh my god, guys. He got us back down to 3 hearts. Wow, that was crazy. And I got 3 diamonds from that sucker. Wow. I probably shouldn't have called him ugly. Because as soon as I called him ugly, guys, he came at me with a vengeance. Like, he was ready to take me out, guys. He had me down to 1 heart. That was crazy, guys. Wow, he was powerful, guys. He was powerful and he was fast. That's a bad combination, guys. That is a bad combination for me. Because he almost took me out, guys. And wow, look at all these zombies on fire. Like, where did they even come from? What the heck? I don't even know what's going on right now, guys. They just like all came out of nowhere on fire. That was crazy, guys. Not as crazy as the Entity 303, though. He almost took me out, guys. He almost sent me to the Minecraft graveyard. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing Minecraft video. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.